Want to track conversions, optimize ads, and retarget your audience on Facebook? Setting up a Facebook pixel is the key. In this video, I'll guide you through the entire process step by step. Let's dive in. To start, go to business.facebook.com and log into your Facebook Business Manager account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to create an account first. Once inside Business Manager, click on Events Manager in the left-hand menu. Then click Connect Data Sources and select Web. Click Facebook Pixel, and then Connect. Now give your pixel a name. It's best to use a name related to your business. If you have a website, enter its URL and click Continue. You'll now see different installation options. If you use platforms like Shopify, WordPress, or Wix, select Partner Integration and follow the instructions. Otherwise, choose Install Code manually, copy the provided code, and paste it into your website's header section. If you have a developer, you can also send them the instructions via email instructions. To ensure your pixel is working, install the Facebook Pixel Helper Chrome extension. Visit your website, and if the extension detects the pixel, you're all set. Next, set up standard events like Purchase, Add to Cart, or Lead, using Event Setup tool in Events Manager. This allows you to track user actions and measure campaign success. And that's it. You've successfully set up your Facebook Pixel. Now, you can track conversions and optimize your ads for better performance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.